In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pivot tables and visualize data on monday.com. Easiest way, 2026 guide. First, open your monday.com workspace and head to the board that holds the data you want to analyze. A quick preparation tip before you start. Make sure your columns are set up in a way that makes sense for reporting. For example, use a numbers column for budgets or hours you want to sum, status or drop-down columns for categories you want to group by, and a date column if you plan to analyze trends over time. Clean, consistent data will make your visualizations and pivot-style summaries far more accurate. Next, at the top of the board, click the plus icon to add a new view. This is where you'll create a dedicated reporting space without changing your underlying items. Keeping reports as a separate view helps teammates find insights quickly, while leaving the main board focused on day-to-day updates. From the view options, choose Chart. The chart view is perfect for turning your board into a pivot-like summary and a visual at the same time. Think of it as a pivot table that's already chart-ready. You'll pick what to measure, how to group it, and how it should look. Once the chart view opens, click the three dots in the top corner of the view. This menu gives you access to configuration and display options specific to the chart you're building. Select Settings. This is the control center for transforming your raw board data into a meaningful summary. Here's how to shape it. First, choose your metric. If you want a simple pivot-style count, select Count of Items. If you need totals, pick Sum and choose the numbers column you want to aggregate. Then decide how to group your data. Set your main category, like status, owner, client, or any field that defines your rows. To mimic a classic pivot with rows and columns, add a secondary breakdown, such as grouping by month on the x-axis and splitting series by status. This gives you that cross-tab feel, with bars or lines representing each category. Fine-tune with filters to include only the groups, people, or date ranges you care about. Adjust the chart type to match your story, bar or column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for parts of a whole. Turn on data labels for clarity, choose colors that align with your board's statuses, and sort descending to surface top performers. If values look off, verify the column types and make sure your numbers column is selected for sums. For dates, choose the right time bucket, like weeks or months, so the chart groups correctly. When you're done, your chart view saves with the board, giving your team a living pivot-style report that updates as your data changes.